Alright, Amazon, just leaving a review about this vacuum here. It's horrible. Don't even bother getting it. Only got it a couple months, and I'll show you it doesn't even work. You can see I got it plugged in. Right, plugged into the outlet there. And it doesn't even work. I tried turning it on. You can hear it. Nothing. And I'll try to unplug this and show you guys. Like that. And I only got it a couple months. I think I got it in July. Customer service has been even worse. Emailed them. It comes with a 1-year warranty, so I'm supposed to get a replacement. I've been emailing them since September, weekly. And they got back to me saying, hey, give us your order number. We'll send you a replacement.